If you're looking to write educational or training material quickly and efficiently, using AI can save you time and enhance your content's quality. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create top-notch training materials with some tips you can use today. First, let's break down how AI can help. AI excels at generating ideas, organizing your thoughts, and even drafting detailed content. Whether you're creating a course, an employee manual, or online training materials, AI can speed up the process, provide structure, and make sure your content is accurate and engaging. Start by defining your objective. What is the material going to teach? Who is your audience? Once you have that nailed down, you can input your goals into the AI tool. You'll want to provide clear instructions like create a module on cybersecurity basics for beginners, or develop training material for new software users. The clearer the prompt, the better the results. Next, use AI to generate an outline. Let the software propose headings, sections, and key points. AI can help you avoid missing any crucial topics and will save time in structuring your training materials. This outline will act as your roadmap and is flexible. You can adjust it as you refine your content. Once the outline is ready, move on to content generation. Here's where AI really shines. For each section, you can feed the AI specific instructions like write a detailed explanation of the concept of phishing or provide a step-by-step guide on how to use the software. The more specific your requests, the more tailored the AI's response will be. It can also give examples, explanations, and even quizzes or exercises to test knowledge, making the material more interactive. Don't forget the revisions. AI can also help with editing. Simply ask the software to improve clarity, simplify explanations, or rephrase for better readability. This feature is especially useful if you're creating material for a wide range of learners. Now, if you want to follow along with me, I've included an exclusive free trial to the software we're using in the description below. This free trial is only available to my viewers, so make sure to grab it while you can. It'll help you create high-quality educational and training materials in no time. Key takeaway here: AI is an incredible tool for creating educational or training materials fast and with precision. Start by defining your goals, create an outline, and let the software generate detailed content tailored to your needs. Don't forget to leverage the software's editing features to ensure clarity and engagement. To recap, define your material's objective, use AI to draft an outline, generate detailed content, and polish your work with revisions. And of course, don't miss the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along with the software we used in this video. Thanks for watching and happy training material creation.